Hey, this is Larissa with Kintone Customer Success, and today I'm going to walk you through adding new users to your subdomain. So to add new users, let's first navigate to user administration by clicking the gear wheel and selecting users and system administration. We're then going to come over here and click departments and users. So to the right, you'll see this section for users. So here's where you're going to add your new users and change profile settings for previously existing users. So to add a new user, we'll click new user. So not all these fields are going to be required to be filled out, but you should at least be filling out the display name. This is going to be the name that shows when you're searching for the user, when you're mentioning them. Next, you'll want to do login name. So the user uses this name to log into the Kintone portal, and login names are case sensitive. So I highly recommend making this the user's work email and have it be all lowercase. So people usually just assume the login name is going to be their email, so it just makes it a lot easier for everyone. And then lastly, enter an email address. So this will be required if you want to send notifications via email or send a password via email. So other fields we have are phone number, employee ID, a hire date. So you could take a look at the different available fields and decide what information needs to be entered for your users. So as a side note, you can make custom fields and determine what your users can edit themselves from profile settings. That button's located right next to the new user button. So now that we've added the necessary details, we're going to go ahead and save this new user. So since this is a new user, you're going to get this pop-up box to send the user their login information. So it's okay to leave it as generate automatically because they can always come in and change their password after. So we're going to click save and send via email. So since I entered the email in their user profile, it's going to automatically populate up here. So notice down here, it's going to be sending the subdomain URL, the login name, and password. And then you're going to click send. And there they are. So your user will now be sent the email and can start with their Kintone account. So thanks for watching today's walkthrough on adding new users to your Kintone subdomain.